Welcome to NoteX AI. Every meeting, document, and recording can be transformed into searchable, actionable notes. Let's create your first one. From the home screen, click Record Instant to start a new recording. To record live, turn on Live Transcribe. Select the speech language, and optionally add additional instructions to tell AI what to focus on. Then click Start Recording. Your recording has started, and NoteX AI is now transcribing the conversation in real time. You can see the transcript appear as people speak. If you didn't enable Live Transcribe earlier, you can still turn it on using the toggle in the top right corner. When you're finished, click Create Note. NoteX AI automatically generates a transcript, AI summary, action items, key insights, and structured notes ready to edit, share, and collaborate. NoteX. Capture fast, think smart, work better.